Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Smart English Podcast.
Hello, everyone. It's great to be here with you all today. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. Alex, how are you today? Are you feeling good?
I'm great, Mia. Thank you for asking. I had a really nice weekend. It was very relaxing.
Oh, that's wonderful to hear. A relaxing weekend sounds perfect. We all need that sometimes, don't we?
Yes, we do. It's important to relax. So, Mia, how was your weekend? Did you do anything fun?
My weekend was also good, Alex. I spent some time outside. The weather was lovely. You know, it makes me think about what we do when we are not working or studying. Today, we are going to talk about something very important and fun.
That sounds interesting, Mia. What are we talking about today? I'm excited to know.
Today, our topic is free time. It's all about what you like to do when you don't have to work or study. For our A1 and A2 English learners, this is a great topic because everyone has free time, and it's a great way to practice simple English words and phrases.
Oh, free time. That's a super topic. I love my free time. It's my favorite time of the day or week, actually. It's when I can do things I really enjoy.
Exactly. So, Alex, let's start with you. What do you do in your free time? What are some things you like?
Okay, well, in my free time, I like many things. My favorite activity is reading. I enjoy reading a lot. I read different kinds of books.
Reading. That's a fantastic free time activity. So when you say reading, you mean looking at words in a book, right? Or a magazine, or maybe even on your phone?
Yes, exactly. Reading a book or a newspaper. Sometimes I read stories, like novels. Sometimes I read nonfiction, like books about history or science. It's very relaxing and I learn new things.
That's wonderful. So reading is one great way to spend your free time. And you said you enjoy reading. That's a good phrase for our listeners. I enjoy reading. It means you like it very much. What else do you do?
Another thing I like to do in my free time is watching movies. I enjoy watching movies. I go to the cinema sometimes, but mostly I watch movies at home with my family.
Ah, watching movies. That's a very popular free time activity. So you enjoy watching movies at home. Do you have a favorite type of movie, like action movies or comedy movies?
I like comedy movies because they make me laugh. And I also like action movies because they are exciting. Watching movies is a good way to relax and forget about the day. So, in my free time, I like watching movies.
Great! So we have reading and watching movies. Both are wonderful. What about something more active? Do you like playing sports?
Oh yes, I love playing sports. In my free time, I often play soccer with my friends. We play at the park on Saturdays. It's very fun and good for my health. So I enjoy playing sports. My favorite sport is soccer, but I also like swimming.
That's fantastic. Playing sports is a great way to stay active. Many people enjoy playing different sports like soccer, basketball, tennis, or running. It's good exercise. So playing sports is another excellent free time activity. And you said, I enjoy playing sports. You use that phrase really well.
Thank you. What about listening to music? Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I do. That's a great one. So, do you listen to music in your free time? What kind of music do you like?
Yes, I listen to music every day. It's one of my top free time activities. I listen to pop music and rock music. I listen when I'm walking, when I'm cooking, and sometimes just when I'm relaxing on the sofa. I enjoy listening to music because it makes me feel good. It makes me happy.
That's so true. Listening to music can really change your mood. It's a very common and enjoyable free time activity. So, for our listeners, listening to music is something you do with your ears. You hear songs. We can say, I enjoy listening to music. How about going for a walk? Do you ever do that?
Oh yes, I love going for a walk, especially in the park or near the river. It's very peaceful. In my free time, I like going for a walk when the weather is nice. I go alone or with my wife. It helps me to clear my head. It's very calming.
That sounds lovely. Going for a walk is a simple but very nice free time activity. You just walk outside, maybe for exercise or just to see nature. So for our listeners, going for a walk means walking outside. You can say, I enjoy going for a walk. So you have many fun things you do in your free time.
Yes, I do. I think it's important to have hobbies and things you like to do. It makes life more enjoyable. And I like to use the phrase, in my free time I like, and also I enjoy when I talk about these things.
Absolutely. Those are great phrases for our listeners to practice. In my free time I like, and I enjoy. And what about my favorite activity is? Can you tell us your absolute favorite one?
That's a tough question. There are so many good ones. But if I have to choose just one, I think my favorite activity is reading. Yes, reading is my favorite. I can do it anywhere and I always learn something new. What about you? What do you do in your free time?
Good question. In my free time, I like going for a walk very much. I love to be outside in nature. I also enjoy listening to music, especially when I'm working around the house, and sometimes I enjoy watching movies too, especially documentaries. I like to learn new things while relaxing. So just like you, I have many activities I enjoy. My favorite activity is definitely going for a walk in a big park. It makes me feel happy and calm.
That's wonderful. So you also have many great free time activities. It sounds like we both like to relax and learn in our free time.
Yes, we do. And for our listeners, let's quickly review the important words and phrases we learned today. So we talked about free time. What do you do in your free time?
We learned about reading, watching movies, playing sports, listening to music, and going for a walk.
Excellent. And we learned some very useful phrases. You can say, in my free time I like. For example, in my free time I like reading.
Yes, and you can say, I enjoy. For example, I enjoy watching movies. It means you like it a lot.
That's right. And if you have one activity you like the most, you can say, my favorite activity is. For example, my favorite activity is playing sports.
And finally, if you want to ask someone else, you can say, what do you do in your free time? It's a great question to start a conversation.
Perfect review. These are simple but very powerful phrases for our learners. Practice them, use them, and tell us what you do.
Yes, we hope you enjoyed learning about free time with us today. It was fun to talk about these things.
It was so much fun. Thank you, dear listeners, for tuning in to the Smart English Podcast. We love having you here. We hope you learned some new words and phrases today.
Please tell us what you do in your free time. Leave a comment below. We love reading your comments and hearing from you.
Yes, please do. And if you liked this episode, please hit the like button. It really helps our channel. And don't forget to subscribe to the Smart English Podcast channel for more easy and fun English lessons.
We will see you next time for another exciting episode. Keep practicing your English.
Bye, everyone. Have a great day.
Goodbye. See you soon.